Okay.
Okay, so Jasmeet, what I want in this class is that yeah, 70% came. So can you
Yes.
show me the technicalities that okay, this is the technical fix I need to make. That header or something was coming, no?
Okay. Okay.
That's
Let
what.
me first start. I have made a sheet. Okay.
Okay.
This will help us to track all our meetings and everything. So here I have let me put the date. Okay. The topic will be technical issues, right? Technical issues
Correct.
of
Yeah.
okay. So the time is, let me put it down, 10:10. Okay. So now we can begin the meeting. And can you please share your email? So
What
I'll
email?
send you the link to share the sheet with you.
Oh, that wherever you have shared the invite, info at Roy for Success. Info at Roy for Success. Yeah,
Okay,
this
this
one.
one.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
this one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's begin. Are you able to see my screen?
Yeah. Totally.
Okay. Let us check the issues. Okay. So you were asking about the meta tags, right?
Yeah. So whatever is the errors, I think you also pulled the report, right?
Yes.
Yeah, there are some red tags. Remove unnecessary words like welcome.
Here's two
Heading.
pages which has over 985 pixels of meta description. So meta description should be in pixels, it should be around 920, and meta
But
title should be
so which report you are referring? Can you show me?
this is for IT professionals and students page. Can you see where it is written over
I think your
98.5
screen is not
pixels?
moving. Can you move your cursor or something? It looks like it is frozen for me. I can
I'm
just
moving
see
my
that
cursor. Okay, let
wants to
me
excel
share
in
my
academy.
screen.
I see. Yeah, maybe this shared. Yeah.
Yeah. Now, can you see?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes.
Okay, so this is the Screaming Frog tool. Over here, you can
So what
see
did
it
you do?
is,
Can you show me from the beginning? Can you show me from the beginning?
yeah. So I'll just put your link and selected all subdomains and hit start. And it will crawl all your pages and bring up the report. Here I'm in the issues section.
Okay.
Okay,
So
so
what
total
link
of,
you went? Which link?
yeah,
That streaming.
I went to,
No, first, I mean, you opened which website? You open a website
no,
somewhere?
yeah, I just copied your main domain URL.com.
So that I got, but what tool you are using? That's what I'm saying.
Oh,
Screaming.
Screaming Frog. Screaming Frog.
So it is a licensed tool, huh?
Yes, we have the paid version.
Oh, how much it cost? The
Mm,
license?
I have to check. It has been
Oh,
some
no worries.
time we paid for it. Yeah,
No worries. Okay.
but
So once it is due, hmm,
it is
right?
under $100, I think.
Oh, okay. So once you give that one, then what did you do? You select and then
We selected all domains, then hit start, and then we crawled 24 pages on your website. So
okay,
probably this is the total number of pages right now on your website. It has crawled all of them.
I
Now,
see.
as you can see for page titles, some
Hmm.
of these two pages, the page titles are over 561 pixels. So it should be
But that is
around five.
information. That's not a red mark, right? Or I'm seeing
It is an
something different.
opportunity. So every tool has its own, UI, how they present the issues. So you can see in the issue type, it is written as an opportunity.
Okay.
Okay. So this is a issue in which
Yeah,
is
maybe we
marked
can
as
we
red
can we
H1.
can start looking the issues first, right? Instead of
Okay. So, okay, this is a member login page. So we can ignore. And this is the main H1 pages where the H1s are missing. So in IT professionals, let me check more thoroughly.
hmm.
Yes, you can see even here. This is another tool. You can download it on your PC. It is a Google extension. It is called SEO Meta. Okay, it will give you
Oh,
the data about the header sections of your website. So here you can see that this particular page doesn't have H1. All are H2. The same data is showing over here. H1 missing for this page. Okay, so these are the four pages where you currently don't have any H1. So H1
mhm.
symbolizes that the main topic of your page. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
so
So how to
then
add each one? I think Shamana, you made that update, right? Can you show me that?
Yes, Mr. Roy, as we discussed earlier, that like whatever work has been done on your website, that was in the point of view of website revamp
Got it. Oh, no,
and
totally.
not
I'm with you. Yeah, no worries.
you.
Yeah. So if you just show me
Uh,
that how to add each one, maybe
yeah,
one example,
yeah,
if you just show, then I can update.
sure.
are you sharing your screen, Sumana?
No, Jasmeet, you can continue, and
Okay.
yeah, later we'll share how we can change the header tags.
Oh, later in.
Okay.
Okay. Perfect. Go ahead.
हाँ,
Okay.
first let's complete the issues part,
Sure.
and then whatever you need to check how to edit and how to change, then we'll jump on that.
Good.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is the first issue. Then second. Okay, so this is the second issue. All the images on your website should have an alt text. So alt text is for crawlers, Google crawlers. They can only crawl
Mm.
text elements. Okay, they cannot crawl any image or any media file. It has to have something to relate to them what the image is about. So that is what image alt text. When a crawler crawls your website, a particular web page, if it has 2 to 3 images, and if you haven't put any alt text, it can't identify what the element is. Okay, so it has identified as an issue. So these are the 3, 4, 5 images on which currently you don't have any alt text.
So I can add a alt text in my
Yes,
image.
it is very simple. You just have to
Simple.
explain what the image is about. Okay,
Oh,
if there is a child holding a football, okay, on a football field, you can just typically write that a boy standing on a football field holding a football. That's all.
oh,
You just have to explain the image in simple words what the image is about. Okay, you
got
can also include your SEO keywords if the image is related one to one of your product or services. Okay,
it.
to
Mhm.
enhance your SEO optimization.
Okay.
Then okay, so currently you only have two issues so far.
Mm.
Okay,
Oh,
now
oh,
we can go to warnings.
okay.
Okay, so you have made no follow tags on this particular, but this is a file. So it is a off page file, so you have to ignore this particular issue. Now,
So how you are determining that I have to ignore? One more time,
because
please.
it is written over here files. It is
Files,
not
right?
a web page. Yeah, it is not a web page. It is a you have uploaded a file on your
Mm-hmm.
website from backend. So this is what it is showing, and it is a no follow tag that you don't want Google to crawl this particular data.
Oh, okay.
Then
And you also ignored the issues, the first issues. So you said that no action needed. What is that?
yeah, this is for the member login page. So when you log in from backend to
Mm-hmm.
make any changes on your website, this is for that particular page member login, and it has. So if anyone, it is some similar to no follow, that you don't want anyone to, get on this page, because this is your personal page to get into your website and make the changes. So this particular page shouldn't be crawled by a Google, and these are all done on automation for every website. It is not something that your previous developer have done it manually. It is by automation that these pages are not available for crawl or index by Google.
Sounds good.
And then this is the same or different file for no index. Okay. And then
So no
this
index, no follow, meaning I'm saying that the SEO should not be enabled. Huh? If some.
yeah, no follow means you don't want Google to crawl this page,
Oh,
and no index means you don't want Google to index this page.
oh.
And then there is this particular page survey. It has multiple H1s. Just check just to be sure. Yes, it has multiple H1s. See, one, two, three. You have three H1s. So the best way to fix this is to make only one H1. You can put this as H2 or H3. So how do you
Oh.
define if something is H2 or H3? Here is a simple example. This is your main title of your page. Okay.
Mm,
Then this is the subheading. Okay. If the subheadings break into more subheadings, okay, like this, then you will put it as H3. If H3 subheading breaks into more types, then that will be put as H4. So
mhm.
you can put up to H6, but generally most of the pages have up to H3 or H4,
I see.
depending on the
Okay.
type of content you are putting on your page.
Okay.
Okay. Then page titles are below 30 characters. So for page titles and descriptions, there are limits in pixels and as well as characters. Okay, so below 30 characters is very small. Like you cannot put meaningful information for users below 30 characters. So that is why it is written for these pages. So you can just correct it. Let me check what is currently written over here. So only contact us Roy for success, and the description is missing, as you can see.
Oh.
Okay, so you have to you can use Chat GPT or any of your content writer to write content for title and description, and then you can feel free to contact us. You can you know increase the word limit and up to more than uh, 30 characters, and up to 60 characters you can write for meta title. And for meta descriptions, you can write up to 160 characters and
Oh.
920 pixels.
I see. Okay.
Okay. So this is some of the titles are over 60 characters. As I've said,
Oh.
the limit is up to 60 characters. So some of the pages have below 30 characters. Some of the
I
pages
see.
have
Okay.
over 60 characters.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay. And the H1 should be under 70 characters. So this is what it is showing, that some of the pages, these three pages, the H1 characters are over 70.
It should be 60, yeah?
Yeah. So how Google defined is this when you will see this particular page on a desktop, it will be good since the screen is larger. But when
Got
a user will
it.
engage with your website on a mobile phone, the 70
Hmm.
characters will look like a lot on a mobile device. Okay, so
I
they
see.
have to keep something between which will look good on desktop and mobile. So this is why the characters, the
Makes sense.
H1 character should be less than 70.
Got it.
Okay. For this particular page, the content readability is difficult. So you can use some tools on your website like Yoast SEO or uh, Rank Math, and that will show the readability of your score. But it is just give you a average idea about your content. If your content is generated directly from AI, the readability score can vary. But if you have written from a content writer, you can always get a good readability score comparing to AI tools.
I see. Okay.
So you currently have only one page which has a readability score low, and it has a word count of 191.
Mhm. So what they're expecting?
The content readability, when someone read a content, it should be
Mm,
meaningful. Like the page, why us you have to include some information why people should choose your particular platform.
mm.
More information you have to put about your particular business. What do you do? Then you have included
Okay.
your mission and your vision.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you can ask your content writer, or if you are generating from AI tool, you can put a command
Okay.
to give up to 100% readability score, and you can get
Okay.
the
Maybe chat GPT, I can give those info, huh? That
yes,
in
yes.
okay. Got it.
But these tools are not directly related to Google. It is showing as per this particular Screaming Frog metrics. Okay, so I would request you not to give much time on these
Okay.
issue, but the
Mm-hmm.
previous one on which we have discussed.
Okay. Those
Okay.
are kind of low-hanging fruits, right? That
Yeah, this
60.
is an opportunity, you can say. This is not like a warning or an issue. It is an opportunity. If you
Opportunity.
wanna take the opportunity and fix it, that's good.
Mm-hmm.
If you wanna ignore it as of right now and focus on the issues and a warning, that
Yeah,
would be
yeah,
good.
yeah. Good, good. Got it. Okay.
Mr. Roy, actually, we suggest you to connect the Google Search Console to your website. That actually shows the actual technical issues of your backend.
What does it mean? Google Search Console.
Google Search Console
Sure.
is a Google's own platform that monitor the performance of Google crawlers, Google bot. Just like Google Analytics monitor the behavior of actual users, and Google Search Console track the behavior of crawlers. So whatever crawler will see any issue, any technical issue to your
Hey,
website,
Somna,
that
1 second. Huh? Give me a sec.
okay, okay.
Hey, sorry. Yeah. So, what did you say? So, whatever tool you are showing, no, that SEO tool, you are talking on top of that, you are asking to use this Google.
Yeah,
Google
Google
Search
Search
Console.
Console is important for your website because over here only you can submit your sitemap of your website, through which Google will crawl your web pages and index your pages.
Okay.
Okay, and I have opened this Google Search Console to
Mm.
make you understand what it is. This is improve your performance in Google search. It will help you to fix issues traffic and performance. You can also measure your traffic and performance same on the reports which you get on Google Analytics. It is a little bit different on Google Search Console, but it will help you to analyze how well your website is performing, and as well as what type of issues you are having on your website and how to fix them. So you can always optimize your content with Search Analytics. It will bring up the data about your website impressions and clicks and position on Google search. If your website is coming on search terms which you are not aware of, you can get into Google Search Console and get the data and start working on those search terms and get the first ranking.
You mean the keyword or what? Search.
Yeah, the keywords. Yes, the keywords.
Okay. Can you just give an example, show an example? Yeah, how to use this tool? Let's say start now. I see some.
If you know, if you will click on the start now, it will ask for the Google Gmail, which is linked with your WordPress, and then you have to sign up, and then you have to
So
put
it is not
the
WordPress,
link
right?
of.
Mine is Wix actually.
Okay, yeah, on Wix, so you have to use the same Gmail. Okay, then you will put the website link, and you have to include the code which Google Search Console will give you, and you have to submit it on your Wix backend. So that is how your website will get connected. Then it will take some time to verify, and once it is verified, after 24 hours or 48 hours, it will start showing the data.
Okay, so should I
Once
do
it
it?
has.
Do it and share in front of you and tell me how to do because I have the all details.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Okay, yeah,
Okay, so I should go to search.google.com, search console.
yes, yes, if you can please share your screen, that would be better.
You can see my screen, right?
Yes,
Yeah. So you told search console, huh?
yeah, Google Search Console.
Search console. I should go to login. I log in.
Yes,
Okay. So login with what? Domain and URL. Which one? Yeah.
choose domain.
Domain and what should I give? My royforsuccess.com.
Yes,
Success.com. Continue.
yes.
Mhm.
Okay, now you have to copy this code and log into your Wix.
Copy. This one copy, yeah? Copy. Okay.
Yes,
Now I'll go to Wix. Huh?
yes.
Okay. Wix.com. Oh, it is already logged in, I believe. Yeah.
Yeah, now in that top right corner in the search bar, search for DNS.
DNS?
Yes.
Okay.
Now domains get and manage site domain. First one. Yes. Okay. Now click on this three dot right side. This right side three dot. Yes. Manage DNS record. Okay. Then scroll and find TXT.
Um, TXT,
Huh.
this one.
Yeah, there you have to add the record. Click on add record and paste that in that value. Uh, uh, uh. Okay, now save.
Nothing is here.
No.
No, no need to do any other changes.
Mhm.
Okay. Okay, now it is written that your DNS record may take up to 48 hours to take effect. So, not exactly it will take 48 hours, but 24 hours it will take to make the changes in DNS record, and then your Search Console will start tracking your behavior, the users and crawler behavior.
So after let's say 48 hours, if I go.
Search
Sorry,
console.
sorry. This is bothering this header.
हाँ.
I and this one.
Yes, this is the one.
Yes. Now click on that verify. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
Your
go to
ownership is verified. Yeah, go to property now.
Okay.
okay. Yeah, start. Okay.
Okay.
Now, as you can see, it is written over here, processing data. Please check again in a day or so. So you can check when the clock hits 48 hours from right now,
So what it will
and
come?
the
What
data
it
will
will show?
start showing. It will show the impressions and clicks and traffic,
Oh, okay.
the one which I was talking about. And you can, on the left hand side corner, you can see the performance and the indexing of your pages. You have to now submit your sitemaps. You can remove pages from removals. Then there is page experience, which is linked with mobile users. So there are metrics on Google Search Console which will help you to optimize your website more further and give you data to understand your website more thoroughly. Okay, once the data will come, then we will start explaining to you one by one.
Got it. Okay. Sounds good. Thank you. Okay. So should I stop sharing? You'll share back your screen?
Yes. Okay. So over here, it is the same warning for H2 missing. Seem like the one of three or four of the pages the H1 was missing on those pages. On this particular page, H2 is missing. So you have to include H2 after your H1 heading tags. If
Okay.
you have,
Got it.
if you don't have any H2, it doesn't mean that you have to have a H2. If you don't have, it's good. But if you have and you haven't tagged as H2, then you have to do it. Same image or text issue. Okay. Then meta description is missing. The one I have showed over here on this page.
Una, can you remove this pop-up, please? Or maybe at the end, you just
Yeah,
show
yeah,
me.
yeah. Sure. Sure, sure, sure.
As you can see, description is missing for this particular page. So you can include this description and you can get it written down with the help of AI. Okay. And then make sure the generated command, the generated content which you will get from AI, you have to check for the pixels and the descriptions. Okay.
So pixel is
I,
what? Is it the length?
No, no, no. Pixel is, suppose, for example, this M of Meta, it takes some space in the screen, right?
Mhm.
Screen has pixels. So it
Right.
will take up the space. That space is pixels. When you will write Meta, there are some pixels which Meta has taken in that space. So when that Meta will show on Google search pages, it will take up space in
Meta
to
meaning what? When you say meta, what is that?
this
Metadata?
I've yeah I'm giving you an example of a word, this meta description. It is written over here. So if you will write meta, it will take up some space. Okay, or if you will write roy, it will take some space,
Correct.
ROY.
Correct.
Okay, on the screen, uh in pixels. Okay, so that is what pixels is. Pixels has its own limits. If you will write 60 characters, or if you will write sometimes even 55 characters cross pixels limit, so you have to bring it down. It doesn't mean that the characters limit is up to 60 characters but you have written up to 55, so it is good to go. No, you have to look for the both pixels and characters.
Oh. So how will know that my characters are taking how much pixels?
Yeah, I'll show you. I have a tool. So you can put, let me give you an example. So, so as you can see, it is showing 28 characters, and here is it is 600 pixels. It is written, but generally it is
What is
580
that
pixels,
268?
and
What is that
two.
268?
It is the 268. It is the
Oh, it is changing.
pixels.
Oh, it is
See, I am
changing, huh?
written then, yeah. Then again, I am writing Roy for success. It is increasing. So it is the pixels.
Oh,
415 out of 600 you have used, and these are the characters.
I see. Okay.
Okay, and if I will keep writing, okay, once it will hit 600, it will show red. But to play on the safe side, you have to assume that you having a pixel of up to 580, and for description it is 920. Okay.
Oh. So you are saying title should be within 520 and description would be around 900.
580,
Five
920.
920. Okay.
Yes.
Sounds good. Okay.
Now moving on. And then same meta descriptions over 155 characters. So let me give you an example. Okay, as you can see, it is very long. So let's check in the tool. See, you can see it is going more than 160 characters. It is 194 characters, and for pixels, it is going 1210, which is a lot. You have to keep it under 920
I
pixels.
see. Okay. This is good. Okay. Mm.
Okay, so you have to keep these things in check, and once it is fixed, you don't have to do it again and again. It is a one-time solution. Okay, now sequential. Okay, this is let me explain it to you live.
What is that
Okay,
extension?
it is called SEO Meta.
Oh, that's a free extension?
Yeah, yes, SEO Meta. If you will write in the Google extensions, from where you download Google extensions, it will show you. Please remember this icon, the logo, a red S and written SEO in black, and you
Oh,
can download it.
Jasmeet, you can put the extension link in the group.
Okay, okay, I'll do that.
sure. Okay. And this link, okay, so I have to use Chrome or something for this or
Yes, yes,
any?
Google Chrome. This is available on Google Chrome. I don't know if it is available on Microsoft or Firefox browsers.
Mm.
Okay. So for this particular issue, it is written non-sequential. So what does it mean? As you can see over here, that your H2 is coming up and then H1 is coming. Generally, H1 should be at the top of the page and then H2 should come.
Right.
Okay, then H3 and then H4. Like it is H1, then it broke down to H3. It should be H1, then H2, and then H3, and then H4, sequence wise.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, after H3, H4, you can again have H2, but the H1 should be at the top of your page, and then H2 will come along.
I see.
You can have multiple H2, you can have multiple H3, H4, but the H1 should be only one. So this is for this H2 non-sequential and H1 non-sequential. Then this is for the meta descriptions over 985 pixels. This is the same thing which I have just showed. Um, okay, non-descriptive anchor text. Okay, let us check. Does it say anything? Hmm. Okay. You currently don't have this issue, but it is coming up on the crawl. So what happens is these tools, if you will use any SEMrush or Ahrefs, then Screaming Frog, and then there are other free tools as well. So they use cache to understand what issues are on your website. If you had any issue previously, it will also show. So this particular thing, you must have had this issue, but currently it is not showing on the web page, on the live page. So you are good to go for this particular issue. And even this is an opportunity, this is not coming as a warning or a issue.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay. And the last one is for H2 multiple. So you currently have, let me check what this is showing. Okay, you don't have any H1 and you only have multiple H2s. So that is what this particular issue is referring to about.
So,
You have
okay.
only H2s. You don't have any H1. So you can put H1, and then again, if you will put H2, it is good. Okay. So you can refer to these issues. I will export this file
Okay.
and give it to
Okay.
you.
Sure. Okay. Maybe now, Sumana, you can show a little bit that H1 thingy, right? Right. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Okay, I'm sharing my screen.
Sure.
I hope it's visible.
Yeah. Yeah. Totally.
Okay. Let me check about the H1 heading.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, okay. Uh, 5 URLs have H1 missing. Jasmeet, can you please
Yes.
help me with those pages which have H1 missing? I got the
Okay.
report, but I'm not able to
Okay.
find those URLs.
Okay. Wait.
Yeah.
H1 missing, right?
Yeah.
1 minute. Go to IT professional page.
Okay. Okay. Hmm. Okay. So if you click on this, generally we put H1 in the banner section only. Okay, so this will, go with the sequence wise, that first this will H1 and then this one will be H2 and then again this one will be H2. So we'll change this as a H1 only. So if you click on this and then edit text,
Mm-hmm.
okay, Jasmine, here it is showing H1 only. The style is H1 only. See?
Why is it coming even on the SEO meta? Let me check in the SEO meta then.
Please.
Uh, Meanwhile, you can check for the second page, contact page.
Okay.
Let me check for the IT professionals. Even on the SEO meta for IT professionals, no H1 is showing.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Um, you maybe you have to redo and select it again and then save.
Okay, then maybe it is saved, but it's not published. Maybe.
Yes, And
Not
I think
not me
since
because I published I made some change yesterday
Hmm.
or day before
uh,
yesterday.
Sumana,
Okay.
for this particular website, sitemap is not submitted yet, right?
Wait, let me check.
Actually, we just made the Google Search Console. So
Yes,
okay, so probably that's why the information is not updated.
updated.
So what
It
is
is
that sitemap
generated.
thing? Can you help me to explain
Uh,
a little bit?
Huh.
Sitemap, yes, you can see this is the map of your site by the term. So it helps. It is generally for the Google crawlers, which comes on your website from time to time. So
Mhm.
they will grow. They will go through this data to crawl your web pages. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, actually, crawlers don't understand these front end things. So for that reason, we have every website have sitemap, and for that, crawler come to this sitemap and crawl how many pages you have and how many pages the crawler has to crawl.
Oh,
Yeah. Okay, so Jasmeet, in contact us page also, the style is H1 only. Again,
Okay.
just let me change it to H2 and then again H1 and then I'll publish and then you please check from your end to SEO Meta.
Okay, that's good. But my concern was for Google Search Console if the sitemap is submitted or not, because we just signed up on Google Search Console. So
Hmm.
sitemap, if the sitemap is not submitted,
Hmm.
then there is you shouldn't change it again and fix it
maybe we
again.
can
Go.
wait for a day or two once it is
Yes,
approved.
yes, we
Okay.
have to wait.
Okay.
Okay. Jasmeet, can you please check for the homepage what H1 is showing for homepage or if it is
Yes.
checking for that as well?
Okay, let me check. For homepage, H1 is welcome to our academy.
Well, welcome to our academy. The
Yes.
this one.
Wait.
See,
Yes, yes.
yeah, if this one is H1 and if it is taking as a H1 and it is showing in SEO meta, then it should be not problem for rest of the pages, right? Because all the
Yes.
pages were revamped in at same time only.
Okay. We have to wait for the results on Google Search
Ah,
Console once the sitemap is submitted and crawled,
hmm.
hopefully the updated data will reflect on the live pages.
Hmm. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So anyway, Mr. Roy, so from here you can just click on any of the section you want to edit for text and then click on edit text and here you can see style H1, H2, H3, H4,
Right.
H5, H6. Okay. Then these paragraph styles also they have different style paragraph 1, para 2, para 3. Okay. From here you can click and change the heading tag, whatever heading tag you want to update.
So, I mean, ideally, the first one should be H1, then H2,
Yes,
then
yes,
paragraph, kind
yeah,
of. I mean,
yeah. Yeah,
H and
sequence
P. I mean,
wise,
first H, then
should
paragraph.
be H1, huh. And then like except banner part, all the main headings of your page should be H2 only. And then if you have another subheading for that particular section, then you have to mark it as a H3. Okay. Let me show one example. Just a minute. Okay, so here you can see, wait. Hmm. So why you need professional structural engineering consultants? So what Wix do in blogs, whatever your blog title is, it is considered as a H1 only by default. And
Mhm.
then this one. Then the next heading is H2. Then this is the subheading of this main heading. So this will be H3. And then again these are the subheading of this one. So this will be H4. Like this one, two, three. This will be H4. Okay.
But if I make it
Again,
H3 again, is there any problem in
no,
this?
no. This is H2. This is H3. This will be, and this three will be H4. Okay.
No, if I instead of H4, if I make H3, it will be problem in the SEO, that optimization.
Yes, that is
Oh,
actually not the correct sequence according to SEO. Then again, this is a B point of this first point only. This is that B point is a subheading of this one. So this will again mark as a H3, and then again rest of the other points will be H4. Again, this will be
got it.
H3 and H4. Again, we have another heading, number 2. Now
Oh,
this will mark as a H2 again.
I
Okay, and then this will be H3, and then again these will be H4. So these
got
how heading tags work.
got it. I mean, the way we write in MS Word, let's say big one, so the way we do the indentation and the
Sorry. Yes.
numbering. Got it. Okay.
Yes. Yes. Okay. 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 You asked me to change that pop up.
Okay. Before that, anything was there that H2 or something in the report,
No.
Jasmeet?
In report, there is only H1 mates missing and H1 multiple warning.
Okay, so
There is
probably all these H1 we should wait for that
uh,
Google search
in
report and then
in
we'll
one
review.
page. In one page, actually, it is mentioned H2 as a non-sequential. Jasmeet, can you please check that page? Which page is that? The issue is non-sequential H2.
Right.
Jasmeet, are you there? You are on mute if you are talking.
Yes, yes, I'm here.
Okay,
One
okay.
minute.
Please check
Checking
that
now.
page. Uh,
Hmm.
H2 non-sequential, the issue is.
Yes, wait. Um,
So whatever report you send, that is not much useful then, huh? That CSV file.
it is for the main URL then.
Hmm.
That
Actually,
will
we
be
can't say
useful.
that whole report is not useful, but whatever issue type is stated as a warning, that we can focus on to optimize. Others are the opportunities, so that you can neglect.
So, I mean, if the tool is there, then it would be properly, I can understand what is going on.
Yeah,
Tool with the
there is a
extension,
free
etc.
version of Screaming Frog as well. You can download that, and you will get the data.
The similar data.
Yes. There is a free version of Screaming Frog, and the paid version will cost you around $250 per year.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Mhm.
see, $259 per year.
So what is not there in the free version?
Free version, like you can get the report, but see, in free version you have the crawl limit of 500 URLs, and in paid you have unlimited.
But here I
Okay.
need only one, right? Just one
Yes,
URL.
yes. Like no, not one. Yeah, like other big websites have multiple URLs. If we can consider as a Wikipedia has
Oh,
millions of pages. Okay,
yes.
so they need like this kind of paid version. But in our case, Roy for Success have around like we can say 5 to 7 pages. So we
Oh,
can go for free version only. So whatever basic data we need, that is available in free version. The features are available in free version, so you don't need to go to paid version.
and what is those scroll configuration? Those I need or no? I don't need.
No, 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 you don't need that.
Those rendering scroll. Listen, okay.
Hmm. Hmm.
Sounds
I'll share this link. You can download. This is the download button. You can
okay.
download this. Yeah.
Good.
Okay. And I'll remove that pop up.
Mm-hmm. Oh, light boxes. Okay. Can't it be saved? I mean, inactive mode or no?
I think no, and I deleted.
Okay.
Not an issue. In the future, what kind of pop up
Yeah,
you
yeah,
want,
yeah.
we
No
can
worries.
implement
You
that.
can publish it, right? You have the
Yes, yes, yes.
you can publish that. And one more thing in the blog, no, I created, I think,
Yes.
a page blog. Can you see if that is correct one or
Uh,
Har Har
yeah, just a minute. Okay, yeah, the page is created, but there are no posts yet.
no, no, yeah, no content, I know, but is it the
Hmm.
right way created or I think Wix
Yeah,
has a blog,
Wix has its own separate blog dashboard.
so I can use that, right?
Yes, yes, you can use that, and when you will use that, let me show you for one of our
So
other client.
this one used as a, uh, I'm not using the Wix one, I'm using a regular page or what? I forgot actually what I did.
For blog.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Sorry, just a minute, huh? Wait. Okay. Uh, yeah, this is the Wix blog only.
Oh, Wix blog. Okay, good. Okay.
This is Wix blog only, and like, wait a minute. Yeah, so here you can see that there is a option in dashboard backend blog. So here you can go in the overview, and from here you can create your post. See, create new post. Okay, and whatever post here are there, it will be show on your blog page only. So once you will start posting right content and posting your blog, it will come here.
Can you just post a simple anything? Just a test one. No problem.
Okay, okay, just a minute. Mm. So just for an example, Roy for six. Okay, so here I'll publish it, and then later I'll delete it. So I have published this, and in your blog overview section, you'll see your post list. Wait, see, here will be your post list, and see, here it is.
Okay.
In blog section, here it is. And if you click on this, your blog will open. Okay.
Sounds good. You can remove then. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Sounds great. Thank you. I think most of the things got covered, right? The SEO perspective, let's wait and meet maybe day after tomorrow or so. I'll ping you again.
Yes, 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 yes.
Okay. And what else? So content I have to be make ready. I have the content
Hmm.
actually not posted yet. Just waiting for you guidance. So the keyword search actually. mm, Yeah, I think you mentioned last day, right, Jaspreet, that
Hmm.
we have to choose the keyword in it,
You have to choose
not
keywords.
the
Hmm.
highest one, maybe the medium ones, right?
Yes, the
Yeah.
medium one and the lower one. So in what we'll do in next session, we'll keep the session for keyword research. How you have to do keyword research for your, even if it is for service page or if it is for a blog post. We'll see the difference, how we differentiate the commercial and the informational keywords, and how we select the keywords. Okay.
Uh, and I
Yeah.
created a Google business profile also. Is that helpful
Okay.
for SEO or not needed?
Uh, Actually, Google My Business is majorly used for local one, those who have local business.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
got it. Okay, so
Okay.
I'll just show you one quick thing.
Mm-hmm.
Just opening my sharing my screen.
Yeah.
So for Google,
Jasmeet, can you please carry on with Mr. Roy? I'm getting another call.
Okay.
Yeah,
yeah,
thank
I'm
you.
just trying to show you that ad. Stop or something. Yeah.
Ads.google.com.
Yeah, one.
This is
Yeah, this is
particular for running
yeah.
ads on Google search platform. Yeah.
Yeah, so okay. For planner, right? That's what I searched actually. I mean the search planner. There I searched all those. Where to go?
You have to
Marketing
go to the ads.google.com. You are currently on my account.google.com.
ads ADS.
Yes, ads.google.com.
So,
Yeah. Now sign in.
admin new switch Google account.
I think you have already made one.
Yeah, I made actually
Yeah, this is written setup in progress. I think this must be it. Yeah,
this one.
second one. Yeah,
Okay.
is this the one you were preparing?
Uh,
Here you have written wrongly. You just have to include Raw Academy. Enter your business name. You don't have to include the services
where
subjects
where
which you.
where?
What's your business name? In what's your business name? Above your what's your website URL. Yeah, you just have
Oh,
to
I think
include
this
Raw
is for
Academy.
Google profile. Okay, okay, okay. Got it.
No,
Yeah,
no,
that's
this
right.
is for Google Ads Manager. This is not for the Google profile.
Business. It's not business profile.
No, no, no. This is Google Ads. It is written on the left hand side top corner.
Oh, Google Ads. Okay. I'm just,
Is
I don't know why I'm missing that.
Okay, if you want to go to the Google Business Manager, just open the Gmail from where you made that, and I will then guide you. Open the
Okay.
Gmail from
What I
where
did, I'll
you.
just show you one more time. I go to Google Ads. Google Ads. Um, something like campaign. Google
Mr.
Ads.
Roy, sorry for interruption. I have to remind you that the clock is at 11:09. If the clock will pass 11:15, second hour will hit. Okay.
Okay, okay. No, no, I'll so you just leave when the 1 hour is done. Maybe we can see it.
Okay.
Let's see when it will be here. Just see the last time. Glad I don't know if I do that. Create new account. Let's say do that. I just want to show you that Google Planner. Maybe.
You can't get to it unless
Oh,
you have made your account.
okay, okay. Let's
So,
do that in the next day then. No worries. Huh? Okay.
okay.
Yeah. Thank you guys. Thanks.
Okay, thank you.
Sure. Yeah. Thanks.
Okay.
Bye.
Yeah.
Thank you.